Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Mohamed Mousa, Head of Information Security in IKEA, Saudi Arabia and Bahrain. Have a master's degree in Information Security from Royal Holloway University, University of London. Today, I just wanted to introduce artificial intelligence from someone who is not specialized in artificial intelligence. My specialization is information security, but I will speak from managerial levels about what is the capabilities that artificial intelligence will add it to my career and to add it to my cybersecurity tools. So, when we are talking about artificial intelligence, in the beginning, people are thinking, some scientists are thinking, how to create a system that can emulate the human brain, the human behavior. And they are now creating the artificial intelligence to add more capabilities for our tools, for our computing and programming. So artificial intelligence is a collective term for the capabilities shown by learning systems that are perceived by human and representing intelligence. Now we are seeing some cars are walking in the street without drivers. This is artificial intelligence. We are seeing some drones and planes and autopilot. This is artificial intelligence. So when we are talking about artificial intelligence, we are talking about adding more capabilities that never touched from the computing system before. We can't speak about artificial intelligence without speaking in machine learning. In the first beginning, science says, instead of creating a computing program that can emulate the adult brain, we are creating a computing system that can emulate the child brain. So child can learn, can have some habits, and can know exactly what is the environment around him. So this is a machine learning. A lot of spreadsheets, empty spreadsheets, a lot of experience that can gain from the machine learning inside the artificial intelligence itself. So machine learning is a science of getting computers to act without being explicitly programmed. A system can judge, can expect, a system can predict, and can take action, can take decision. This is the machine learning. Deep learning, now the system become expert and can creating algorithm without any programming, and can give decisions, can respond for the requirement. So this is the three main key pillars of artificial intelligence. So if we are talking about the artificial intelligence in cybersecurity, we are talking about three new capabilities for information security peoples. We are talking about detection, predictions, and response. These new capabilities, we can utilize artificial intelligence to enhance our capabilities inside our network, inside our IT operation, inside our operation technology. So a set of capabilities that allow organizations to detect and predict and respond to cyber threats, real time, using machine and deep learning. In this aspect, I just wanted to emphasize that the hackers also has these capabilities. So don't imagine that you are only own the artificial intelligence capability. Hackers also own this intelligence. So we have to be a step forward than hackers. But unfortunately, they are a step forward than information security officers. So why artificial intelligence right now become a mandatory for information security peoples or for cyber security? Number one, detection. Because we need a very fast detection mechanism, because hackers now and criminals become very fast and detect our vulnerabilities inside our organizations. So machine learning or deep learning-based detections allow organizations to continuously evolve detection programs using behavior analysis to identify anomalies. And we have some concept in information technology, information cybersecurity technology, called anomaly detections. It is not about logs, it is not about vulnerabilities, it's about behavior of your network. It's about behavior of your traffic user behavior. So detections now, it is not based on signatures. It is not based on logs. It's about behavior. Prediction. All of us, or all of people that are working in information security, try to predict more what is the next attack. We have some terminology in information technology called zero-day attack. Zero-day, it means the attacks who no one is knowing about it. There is no signatures in antivirus. There is no pattern to this one. So we need to predict more. We need to be a step forward. And for all people who are dealing with security operation centers and the same solutions, know that we send a lot of logs to security operation center to predict the attack before it's happened, to be more proactive than reactive. So predictions, the artificial intelligence can, through huge amount of data of various types, to make predictions based on how the system has been trained. And this is why we are using a deep learning and machine learning in our predictive actions, I mean. Response. To be frank, the artificial intelligence now in all products and all vendors that introduce some artificial intelligence product in cybersecurity is not met our expectation as security officers. We still need more empowerment for response. We still need a human response, human interaction with the security operations center and with the incident happen inside our network, and I mean a security incident. But we, of course, expect in the next 2 years a lot of response capabilities added by artificial intelligence. So, artificial intelligence can use it to reduce the time taken to create a virtual patch for a detect threat or develop new protections mechanism for evolving technology. So this is the 3 capabilities, again, from artificial intelligence. Any cybersecurity officer have to consider when they recruit some companies to implement artificial intelligence inside the organization. So now I just want to make some deep dive about a technology in artificial intelligence. We have a term called a deep discovery inspections, because now hackers is utilized protocols that you are using in your network and systems legally. They are not changed. They are exploit your vulnerability through illegal protocols, so you cannot discover. So we are using a deep discovery inspections to find the attack patterns beside the honest behavior of the protocol. From 2 years, we open the bucket of the protocol, examine inside it to know exactly is it minded for some malicious codes or not. But now, hackers use protocols in a legal way to exploit your vulnerability. So, using a deep discovery inspections, one of the most artificial intelligence applications in cybersecurity. And we use it to know exactly and identify the honest protocol behavior. The second one, I want to talk about a machine learning in cybersecurity. So a new horizons of intrusion detections, IBSs, intrusion preventions, that you utilize anomaly detection to judge your network. It is not about it's include virus or not. It is not about it's include a malicious code or not. It's about the behavior. It's about the behavior of the protocol, because as we agree all, the hackers have a step forward than security officers. So now machine learning are used heavily in intrusion prevention and intrusion detection system. Web and email content. And all of cybersecurity officers have a headache of phishing emails, because the only controls against the phishing email is the human training. We cannot judge this if this email is coming from legal email address. We cannot judge it by systems. Only you have to train your people, you have to make awareness programs to stop the phishing emails and the emails attack. Now, we can use artificial intelligence and machine learning to learn what is the behavior of the user inside these emails. For instance, I received an email from my manager, but it's not, seems to be from my manager. It is not his language. It is not his style to write emails. And we are now using machine learning to judge this email, even if it's honest email or not. And phishing. I speak about phishing, especially the spearfishing. Someone is target the CEO. Someone is targeted chief innovation officers. We use machine learning in our controls and cybersecurity to judge this email and just give a glimpse, small glimpse, about this email's maybe suspicious email. Repetition models of URL. Recently, hackers are mining the website, legal website, with their link. Just click the link, and you are completely exploited. How we know that? We're using machine learning to build a huge repetitions database about the URL filtering. So we have a new horizons for a URL filtering about the repetition and judgment of the repetitions of this website. Okay, so now, as I said, I am not specialized in artificial intelligence, but as part of a huge digital transformation program inside my organizations, we bring artificial intelligence, and I need to know exactly what is the roadmap to implement the new capabilities of artificial intelligence inside my network and my tools. So first of all, creating a use case. And of course, bringing a new technology costing money. And now we have a lot of budget constraints. So we need, besides building a use case, building a business case of using artificial intelligence. So we identify use cases with the highest benefit and the lowest implementation complexity. For instance, in cybersecurity, we bring a new device for artificial intelligence, but we put it in monitoring mode because we still new to this technology. It will not stop traffic. It will not frustrate the business. So building the use case and the business case is the first step to integrate artificial intelligence in your cybersecurity capabilities. Yes. A lot of vendors now are introducing a lot of solutions for artificial intelligence. But my advice is to use a crowdsourcing. We are using a crowdsourcing in our cybersecurity. Bring a vendor, make him invest the time in your organizations, make a proof of concept, and this will help you a lot to know exactly what is the return on investment in your artificial intelligence in your program. SWAR technology. SWAR technology, this is, some people are confused about the SWAR technology and GRCs. And SWAR technology is a part of governance and risk compliance that related to the standard and the framework of the information security. This will give you more and more of governance over your tools, over your new programs, over your new artificial intelligence, new programming or new tools that you are using. So security orchestrating, automation and response. So SWAR technology improves security management. SWAR makes the use of artificial intelligence more effective and impactful by enabling rapid response to detect and threats. Now GRC tools are integrated with intrusion prevention, with firewalls, with all the network capabilities that you have. Yes. I will speak here about the SOC solutions, security operations centers, and most of us are outsourcing SOC solutions. And the new SOC solutions are relying more and more for artificial intelligence. But before we are forwarding our logs to the SOC solutions, we are using SIM, some funnels to collect the logs. And if you integrate the artificial intelligence about your log correlation engines inside your organizations, you will minimize the numbers of logs that you are sending to the SOC solutions. So by minimizing these numbers of logs, you will have a good judgment about these logs, and you will decrease the false positive alarms that comes from the SOC solutions. So train your cyber analyst to be artificial intelligence ready. Teams need knowledge of key process within an organization to ensure the artificial intelligence algorithm can close potential threats entry points. So governance is important for everything you are doing. You should have policies, procedures, return on investment, vision, and mission for what you are doing. And please, when you are building the use case in the first roadmap steps, you should know exactly what is the return on investment, vision, and the missions of your new programming artificial intelligence inside the cybersecurity. So questions?
Any questions from the audience?
Perfect. No questions.
Okay. So if you do have, he'll be available after the session, off the stage. So please feel free to speak to him. Thank you very much.